Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternate breathing technique. We are going to practice this pranayam in 4 different ways. There are 4 versions of this pranayam. So we'll first start with version 1, then 2, 3, and we'll conclude with version 4. When you start this pranayam, make sure your neck is always straight. Eyes are closed. Now placing your right thumb on your right nostril, I will show you from different angles. Pointed finger between your eyebrows, that helps to increase your concentration. And we are going to use our middle finger to block and unblock our left nostril. Let's start. So we are inhaling with left nostril first, long and complete inhale. Blocking our left nostril. Now we are going to exhale with right nostril, and we have to release the thumb. So we are exhaling now. Inhale with right. Block your right nostril. Exhale with left. So you have to remove your finger, middle finger, to exhale. Inhale with left. Block your left nostril. Exhale with right. Inhale with right again. Whenever you're going to practice, make sure you're always keeping your neck straight. So whenever you are practicing this pranayam, make sure your diaphragm is full of air when you are inhaling, and when you are exhaling, your diaphragm is absolutely empty. Now you are going to practice version 2. This time you are going to inhale only with left nostril, and all the time you are going to exhale with right. So inhaling left nostril and exhaling right nostril. So let's do that. Closing your eyes. Make sure your spine is straight, neck straight. Inhaling with left nostril, exhaling with right. Again, inhaling only with left nostril, exhaling with right. Inhaling with left nostril, exhaling with right. Inhaling with left nostril, exhaling with right. We are going to practice version 1. If you practice 2 minutes, version 2 we are going to practice 2 minutes, version 3 we are going to practice version 3 now. version 3 you are going to practice 2 minutes, so 4 minutes. But version 4 you are going to practice more. You are going to practice version 4 minutes, and you can practice this pranayam 5 to 10 minutes. If you can accommodate your time, you can practice 15 minutes, even half an hour. Okay, so let's start version 3. So this time, this is thus the opposite of version 2. This time we are going to inhale with right nostril and exhale with always left nostril. Let's start. Inhaling with right, exhaling with left. 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 Make sure your neck is straight, spine always straight. Exhaling with left. Inhaling with right again. Exhaling with left. Inhaling with right. Exhaling with left. Inhaling with right. Exhaling with left. Inhaling with right. Now you're going to practice version 4. It is almost similar to version 1. The fingering absolutely same as version 1. Only difference is that we are going to breathe fast. So we are using our alternative nostril, but we are breathing fast. How we are going to do that? So at the version 1, we are inhaling with left, blocking left nostril, exhaling with right, inhaling with right, exhaling with left. Now you are going to do the same, but you are going to do it very fast. So we practiced 4 versions. Let's sum up. So version 1, you are breathing normally, slowly, with using your fingers, alternative nostrils. Version 2, you are only inhaling with left nostril, exhaling with right. Version 3, you are only inhaling with right, exhaling with left. Always inhaling with right, exhaling with left. And version 4, you are using the same fingerings, just like version 1, but you are breathing fast. So you can practice this pranayam 5 to 10 minutes, and you should practice minimum 3 times a week, and you can practice 15 to 30 minutes as well. Keep practicing, stay healthy, and feel divine.